I want to talk about this wallet I received, the Tangem Wallet. I've heard a lot of good things about this. I've never used it myself. It looks pretty straightforward. I like the added security that it's supposed to bring, but like I said, I don't really know much anything about it. You know, to be honest, with Zelcore, the wallet that Flux pretty much resides around, it's making moves. Flux just released their SSP wallet. I think that's what it is, SSP, Safe, Secure, Private or something. And I'm not sure what direction they're going to go with Zelcore. Zelcore has its place, don't get me wrong, and they're actively updating it and doing upgrades and stuff. I see new features and new versions almost every time I log into it, which isn't very often though. But I've used Ledger for a very long time, since the beginning, really. Ledger, I've got a Trezor that I don't really use. Ooh, I should look and see if there's anything on that. So I'd kind of like to compare this to a Ledger-like device. At the same time, like I was saying, with changes coming to Zelcore, I'm thinking I'm going to move a lot of the crypto that I'm holding in Zelcore out of Zelcore and probably into Tangem. All right, well, let's just dive into it. Hold on. I've already opened the box, so I can't really do a new unboxing experience, but inside the box is a card. There's actually 3 cards in this one. And the addition that I got is just the plain old Tangem. Comes with 3 cards, like I said, a little plastic like credit card looking thing, and a getting started guide, which has a QR code to download the app. I guess you follow the instructions from there. Let's take a little bit of look at Tangem and see what they have here. So this is their website, of course, tangem.com. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. Nobody paid me to talk about this or anything, but this was provided free of charge to me to kind of test out and play with and give my thoughts on. So that's what I'm doing, giving my thoughts. Slim as a bank card, secure as a bank vault, store, buy, earn, transfer, and swap thousands of coins and tokens. Starting at $54.90, okay. You can get 2 cards for $54.90 or 3 cards for $69.90. Nice. So their global headquarters is in Switzerland. Take for that as you will. Redefining the wallet experience by delivering top-level security, simplicity, and accessibility. Enjoy complete autonomy and independence while managing your assets with a single tap. Tangem Wallet breaks down barriers for crypto newcomers and enhances the custodial experience for advanced users. Okay, wallet activation takes less than 3 minutes. I'm not as worried about how long it takes to activate a wallet because most of my crypto is on cold storage anyway. Okay, so you can exchange directly within the wallet. That's nice. You can buy directly within the wallet and sell. And coming soon, you can earn. You stake ETH, Solana, Cosmos, and more to passively grow your assets. So the app is on Apple's App Store, Google Play. You can download the APK or scan the QR code to take you to whatever platform your device is using. So let's see. Of course, they support Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, USDC, USDT. That's nice that it's got all the basics, right? What about Flux? Supports Flux. Cool. What about Cadena? Nope. What about Caspa? It does support Caspa. That's nice. What about Dynex? No. Not yet, at least. I think that's coming. Doge, of course it'll support Doge. Yeah. Oh, Baby Doge, Elon Doge, Doge Killer, Tama Doge, Shibi Doge, Doge, Mini Doge, Elon Doge IO, all the fake ass Doges. Yeah, of course it'll do Binance. What else? What else? Ergo? Nope. No Ergo. Nope. Clore AI. Nope. So it has a large list of coins it supports, which is nice. Like I said, I think that they're expanding. Like Dynex should be on there pretty soon. Let's see. Oh, Hive Mapper is on there. No shit. All right, well, let's dive into this thing. I'm gonna do some screen recording. First things first, we're gonna scan the QR code. Here we go. Go onto the Play Store, of course. Install Tangem Crypto Wallet. When we're greeted, we've got Meet Tangem. I guess we can go through and talks about the wallet a little bit. Secure backup. Up to 3 cards on 1 wallet. So that's nice. So I can keep one in my wallet, my physical wallet. I can give one to my wife, and we can put one in the safe. Not that I think she would care, but Web3 compatible. Okay, The wallet for everyone. Scan card. Scan card. Tap to scan. Success. Nice. All right, I'm going to go through and read every word of this out loud. Generate keys privately. Your keys will be securely created inside the card. There is no seed phrase, which means nobody can export or steal it. To create the wallet, tap the card as shown above and do not remove until end of the operation. Okay, backup wallet. Back up your keys to 2 other blank cards. We created the wallet keys essentially with 1 card. Backup now. Add a backup card, okay. And add another backup card. There we go. All 3 cards are on the same wallet now. Finalize the backup. Protect, personalize, and restore. Continue. Access code. Don't look. Prepare the primary card, ending in that number. All right. On the back of these, there is a long like serial number or wallet. When it asks you to do something with one of the cards, it looks like it's going to tell you what number to use. So yeah, this is the right one. Now it's counting down as I'm holding the card to the phone. Okay.
Eventually.
Success. Do. Continue to my wallet. Yeah, let's use biometrics for sign in. Cool. This is what we're looking for. So we'll add Dogecoin, mainnet. Oh, and it's got Doge on BNB on Binance. That's interesting. Okay. USDC, I'm definitely gonna put that on there. I want some Solana. I don't remember where I have SHIB, but I know I have some. What am I gonna move first? Why didn't I thought I put Flux in here. Oh. So it's not Flux. It's Flux ETH, Flux BNB, and Flux Solana. Yeah, I'm good on that. I don't want to send those over there. What about Doge? See, this is why I'm not a fan of mobile-only apps, especially a crypto wallet. That's your money. It's only available on a phone app. Come back over here, receive, copy, paste it. How much Doge? We'll send 5 Doge. Gotta verify. That's nice. Transaction sent. Okay. Now we wait. Oh, good. It does show an outgoing transaction. I always like to send a little bit of crypto anyway before I send the whole bag. Now I need to go in and change all my wallet addresses in HiveOS. I mean, it'll be nice to have another source to send crypto to. Boom. There it goes. We have 5 Doge. I saw they have a silver one over here. White limited edition. That's the white ones. Okay, cool. Oh, it's the same price. That's nice. Oh, you can customize. All right, so you can put like a design or something on there. So if I wanted to give these out like as a present or a corporate gift, I could put a message or something on there or have our company logo. It did get up and running pretty quickly. I'll give them that. What do I think about this? It's a cool design. It's a cool idea. I'm not sold on it just because, like I said, I transact almost exclusively with Ledger as a cold wallet. I have some VMs that hold core wallets to spec mining coins that, you know, I want to play with. But for me, crypto is a long-term hold, long-term play. So I'm not doing a lot of transactions over and over or on the fly. So a mobile app in general for me isn't my primary way of interacting with a crypto wallet. My primary way is here in my fort at my base station, transacting like I'm paying bills. I would like to see a desktop app. I mean, I guess technically there's an APK out there, an Android APK. I could use an emulator, load up Android on a VM because it's just Linux, install the APK, but I'd have to have a device that would scan the card. So I guess that makes sense why they wouldn't have that. I would like to see a seed phrase as well as an option. So if you want a seed phrase for your wallets, I'd like to see that. It would be nice to have that as optional and not necessarily mandatory so that you can decide, hey, I want to save a 12-word or 24-word phrase for my backup. This is your access. So what's the backup? It is a cool option. Not sure I'm going to load everything onto it. I don't know. If you made it this far in the video and you learned something today, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. How do you feel about the Tangem wallet? Are you with me that like an app-only wallet, I don't know how I feel about that. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you'd like to pick one up. And I think I have a promo code too. I don't remember, but I'll leave that down there as well. These are the kind of videos that you enjoy watching. Consider subscribing to the channel for more like it. And of course, thanks for watching.